everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I'm back and I've got some I keep wanting to say I have some Dollar Tree DIYs for you, but I don't. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. And I've done this video like 17 times, literally, because I keep saying Dollar Tree DIYs, but it's not. It's a haul. I'm going to be showing, and then I just burp. Great. We're moving. I'm moving ahead. Burps happen. All right, guys. So normally I do a lot of DIY videos, and I'm still doing DIYs, but I'm shopping a lot too lately. And I grabbed some stuff that is brand new. I grabbed some stuff that is a few Christmas things, very little. I found some old stuff that's like old Dollar Tree stuff that we may remember that all of a sudden is making a reappearance. So I'm like, heck yeah. And then it's just a mishmash. Some of it is just like random stuff too that I just kind of keep here in my little office area. I want to, of course, say thank you, though, before I get into all this, to all of my subscribers, my OGs, my old gang, my old gangster, my original crew, my long-term friends. OG means a lot of different things. And you guys are super special to me. You, of course, know how much I appreciate you. All of my new subscribers, of course, especially this year, thank you so, so much for being here. I appreciate you. As soon as 2021 hits, you will be an OG. And then if you're brand new to the channel, stick around. Hopefully you'll hang out. My name is Jamie. I'm the crafty DIY guy. I like to do a lot of different things. I do thrift flips. I do Dollar Tree DIY crafts. I do a lot of shopping hauls. And I do some clothing hauls. This jacket example is from Walmart. It was less than $25. And I just like to have fun. So let's stop the chit chat and let me just get into the haul. Now, because I literally have done this video at least like 10 times already, there's some stuff over here and there's some stuff down here on the floor. So we're going to be bouncing around a little bit and hopefully you won't see my bald spot as I bend down to grab stuff out of the bag. Now, I am getting ready to do a secret elf thing for a family that lives down the street. And I thought that the mother of the kids would love a bottle of wine. And I found this, it's literally like a Santa suit for a bottle of wine. And what's cute about it is the little hat here goes on the top of the bottle. And then this is the bag, and then you tighten the bag with that. How cute is that? That was from Dollar Tree. So that was the first thing I found. Then I need to get a big enough gift bag to put some stuff in the gift bag itself. So I grabbed that too. I also grabbed, there's my reminder for something that I'm probably not going to do. Some candy. This is like a Hostess mix. It's got like butterscotch and peppermint and lemon and strawberry and all kinds of stuff. And then another email chime. This is a great video already, isn't it? I'm going to try and close this computer. But this is going to stay in my house. This is actually going to go in my living room because I actually really like this stuff. Sorry. I'm trying to get to this computer. Okay. And I typically will literally just have a bowl of this out all year round. I think I got that from my grandma, actually. I picked up 3 of these little boxes. I picked up 3 of them because I have a 4th one here at the house already, and I have a DIY project for these. So more to come there. Also, I grabbed some caramel stuff. They're like turtles, I think, caramel clusters. I'm going to put those in the bag for that family down the street. I get a lot of my spices at Dollar Tree and the ground ginger. I hadn't seen that before, so I grabbed that. All right, this is fun. Check this out. It's a peppermint candy cup. And I bought 2 of them. This one is already unwrapped, so you can kind of see what it looks like. I didn't take the plastic off of it yet, but it's kind of like a peppermint shot glass is really what it is. They're calling it a peppermint candy cup. But come on, let's face it. We all know what we're going to do with this. I'm going to put some Baileys in it, and I bought 2 of them so I could share it with a friend. Now, you'll probably also put like pudding or something like that in it if you really wanted to. I'm putting some liquor in mine. So that's that. Also, I grabbed one of these great storage bins. I don't know if you've seen these or not. They used to have smaller ones at Dollar Tree, and they got these in. And they're such a good size. And I'm going to get this, or I bought one of these already. I said I would buy another one if I saw it because I'm organizing my toolbox. And I'm excited about those. Believe it or not, I'm already starting to think of Valentine's Day projects. And they have these long dowel rods at Dollar Tree now. Look how long those are. And I did buy 4 packages of these because I think I'm going to need them all for this DIY that I'm doing. And they're all the same size, which is really, really good to have on hand. This bowl, plastic bowl, and it's so pretty, right? That fluted edge and everything. I have a DIY idea for this too. That is a Kirkland's dupe, and if it comes together like I'm hoping it will, it's like an $80 like idea that I can do for $2. So fingers crossed that's gonna work. Because I really do DIY videos. I don't just do shopping hauls. It seems like I'm doing a lot of that lately. This is a brand new wire wreath form that I bought. I've not seen this brand at Dollar Tree before. But what I thought was really cool about it is it already has these on it. And there's instructions on the back. But I think what you do is, you know how when you're doing a mesh ribbon wreath form and you're using the pipe cleaners to tie your bundles? I think that's what that's for. Because there's one in every section of this wreath form. And I thought, how cool is that to be able to make a wreath with? Now, I'm wreathed out for the holidays. I do not have any other wreaths that I could do for the holidays. But I thought that this could still work really well for any other holiday. Because apparently, if you do it right, you will have a wreath that you won't even see the green stuff. So, super cool. Speaking of wreath forms, even though I just got done saying I don't need to make any more wreaths, I don't need to make any more Christmas wreaths. So they have the smaller square, and they've had this square for a while. You probably have seen those. I know it's kind of hard to see it. It doesn't give me in inches on it, but it's pretty cool. But check this out. They had this size. Look, it's bigger. And look, you can practically see it's definitely bigger, but even that could be a cool wreath form. So you can see the difference of the size. And again, it's that brand that maybe that's a new Dollar Tree brand. I don't know, because I know Crafter Square is starting to label their stuff too. But again, I thought that was super cool. This says I think that says 16 inches. My bifocals are not very good right now. So this is probably 14, I would imagine, because it's not that much bigger or that much smaller. But anyway, I thought that was a cool size. I'm going to move the camera. And then, wow, this video. I'm going to show you what's in this bag. I have 3 different bags here. Hangers. These hangers have me going. There's some cool ideas you can do with these particular hangers. So I think I'm going to go for it, and I'm going to create something. I'm even going to use those hooks on the end. So more to come there. What else do I have? This cool stocking stuffer. I'm going to put this in the basket for the mom, or for the bag rather. But it's a facial massager. Not sure if you've seen those yet. I think I actually grabbed 2 of these. Another box. Apparently I grabbed 4. I thought I grabbed 3. Some candy. I don't know if you know this brand or not, but I love it. And it's going in the stocking. Ooh, this is part 2 of that Kirkland's dupe I told you about earlier. And this is a plastic bowl set. It's a 2-pack for $1. Again, I think it'll work out really good, so that's cool. They had some really nice cotton bandanas. And I do like to wear these sometimes in place of a face mask, or even with the face mask. So that was cool. I finally found, I only found 1 package of them, but the chocolate spoons. I'm super excited about those. I was going to put those in the kids' stocking for down the street, but they're not getting them. I'm keeping them. Some truffles. Those will go for the mom, for the kids down the street. Another package of candy. Another facial massager. I think I'm probably going to put this in my mom or my sister's stocking. I thought that this was cool. It's kind of like a loofah bath mat. That will go to the mom down the street. I found another package of the large tumbling tower blocks. So definitely grab those. These foam paint brushes, I go through those like crazy. So always use those. How cute are these? Okay. I died when I saw these. And I wanted to put them on a wreath that I'm working on like right now. My like last wreath of Christmas. But I think I may save them. But check them out. They're in the party favor section. And they're tools. Look how real they look. I'm telling you, I feel like you could spray paint these. And they would look like real like little tools. So they will either end up on the wreath that I'm looking at right now, or they will end up on another project of mine somewhere else. So we'll see. Ooh, this was digging around in the bag because I'm trying to pull out select stuff. Cheese grater, because I have some cheese I have to grate. No other reason. I love these bar cloths. I'm not sure if you've seen these at Dollar Tree or not, but this is a 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of bar cloths. They still sell the 1-pack of the bar cloth, but why buy one when you can get 2 for 1? I love these so much and use these in my kitchen. So I bought 3 of those. So I got 6 towels. This is I thought it was really cool looking. It looks really nice. It's an avocado like scooper. And again, really cool. I like avocados. And this was really, really cute. So it's this candle. And you can see on it where it says home. But what I thought about doing, because I like this kind of bluish color glass, I thought about, this is going to sound crazy, but I thought about filling in, because this isn't embossed. This is like carved in there. I don't know what the proper term is. But I actually think I'm going to take hot glue and fill it in, right? Stick with me here. Fill it in and then paint it white. Cover up the candle so it doesn't mess up the candle. Paint it all white and then peel that hot glue out of there because you know hot glue never sticks really good to glass. And then you'll see that blue glass kind of in the background of that. I think that could be really cool. Or maybe just really messy and you'll never see it. Who knows? Potato peeler. This is a gag gift for somebody, so that will go to them. This was brand new. I'd never seen these before at Dollar Tree. They had men's belts. They had men's, pleather. It's pleather. It's not leather. Belts. And look, it's a cool looking belt. I'm totally gonna wear that. And I thought it was awesome. I thought it was super, super cool. So again, I got a belt. And then this was the resurgence. I'd not seen these in a really long time. The bamboo cutting boards. I bought 4 of them. I left more behind. But these are so good to use for so many projects. They're really, really awesome to use. And then these were fun. And the lady down the street, she has, I want to say there's 3 kids there. There might be 4. But these are puzzles. But, ow. Wow. This video just has like crap written all over it. Hopefully I don't start bleeding. That really hurt. But check out that wood puzzle set. It is like a dinosaur and everything is pre-cut and it just fits together. Kind of like the deer guy that I have up there on the wall. That's made out of cardboard though. But they had a flamingo. They had a different kind of dinosaur. I don't know what that one's, T-Rex maybe. And then they had, I loved this one, a unicorn. And then they had that first one that I shared with you there. So how fun will those be? Thinking that the kids down the street could then put them all together and, have a good time. So squeaky chair still. And one more bag. Otis just like hauled ass out of the room. Oh look, my Dollar Tree receipt. Now remember, if you aren't familiar with Fetch Rewards, download Fetch Rewards right now. I'll put a link in it below. Every time you go shopping, you scan your receipt. When you scan your receipt, you get points that you can use to redeem on an online store for online gift cards. Gift cards like Amazon, there's clothing stores, there's movie theater gift cards, there's restaurant gift cards, there's magazine subscriptions. You can do a lot of different things with those points. So, and if you use my referral code, they'll give you some bonus points when you scan your first like grocery store receipt. Ideally, it's great for grocery stores, but it does work for every other kind of store as well. So that's my little spiel. I've got an out of office sign. I actually have this sign already. This is for a different project I have. I have a painting idea that I want to do. And then I bought some of these command hooks. I'm telling you, these large ones especially are fantastic for wire wreath form storage because you can put them behind the door. You can put those command hooks on the back of your door and then hang all your wreath forms all the way down. It's brilliant. Trust me on that. And I bought 2 packages to be able to do that. I also grabbed some AA batteries, especially this time of year. I go through AA batteries like crazy. And then this was something that was brand new, and I think that's the last thing, yeah, that I have not seen at Dollar Tree before, the octagon mirrors. I love the size of those. Oh, sneak peek. You saw the wreath that's coming up in my next video. But how cool are those these? Well, yeah, the wreath is cool. But how cool is this mirror? I did buy, I bought 8 of them, but I have an idea for a DIY project, and it's going to be amazing. I'm super, super excited about it. And they still had a ton of them at my store, so I don't feel guilty buying them at all. And that's it. That's my haul. I'm glad that I made it through this video. We had I hit myself in the face. We had Otis just run by. I almost knocked over the camera. We had the computer going nuts. We had a call come in that I was able to silence before it interrupted the video. I mean, what else do we have? Anyway, I do have some DIY projects coming up for you. I've got one more Christmas DIY, and then I've got some other just non-holiday DIYs coming up. So enjoy it. Cheers to everybody. I'm drinking my cranberry ginger ale, which I did buy at Dollar Tree, by the way. And yeah, have a good day, and hopefully you'll stick around. Definitely check out Fetch Rewards, and start earning some free gift cards. It's amazing, I'm telling you. All right, guys, take care. Bye.